In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Elevenlabs text-to-speech audio in one click. We will go through the process from the Elevenlabs dashboard all the way to downloading your audio file in the format you want. This is a simple workflow. And once you've done it once, it becomes very quick to repeat whenever you need to save your generated voiceovers. First, log into your Elevenlabs dashboard. After signing in, you will arrive at the main workspace where you can access all of the platform's tools and previous projects. If you are using Elevenlabs regularly, this is the central place where you will manage your text-to-speech content. Next, look to the left side of the screen and click on Text-to-Speech. This will open the text-to-speech area where you can create new audio from written text. If you are starting fresh, this is where you'll begin generating your voice file. Here, type or paste your text into the text box. Then choose the voice you want to use for your audio. Take a moment to make sure the text looks correct and the selected voice matches the tone you want. Once everything is ready, click Generate. Elevenlabs will process the text and create the audio for you. If you've already generated the audio before and you don't need to create it again, you can use the History section on the right side instead. This is helpful because it saves time and lets you quickly access previous generations without redoing the whole process. In the History panel, you'll see a list of your generated audio files. Find the specific audio you want to download. Once you locate it, click next to the download icon. This opens the available download options for that generation. After selecting it, you'll see different file formats you can choose from, such as MP3, WAV, FLAC, or M4A. Pick the format that works best for your needs. For example, MP3 is great for general use and smaller file sizes, while WAV or FLAC may be better if you want higher audio quality for editing or professional projects. Once you choose the file format, you'll see the option to download the file. Click it, and your Elevenlabs audio will be saved to your device. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.